I'm Sally Box, the Australian Government's Threatened Species Commissioner, and I'm here at the Australian National Botanic Gardens with Dave Taylor, and here to meet the Banksia Vincentia, which is one of Australia's rarest plants, but which is making a bit of a comeback as part of the Australian Government's Threatened Species strategy. The Banksia Vincentia was discovered only about a decade ago in bushland near Vincentia on the south coast of New South Wales. There are only 14 plants ever found, and due to a deadly mixture of soil-borne disease and fire, the population in the wild was reduced to only 4. But thanks to a fantastic partnership with a number of different organisations, the Banksia Vincentia is on a bit of a path to recovery. Dave, can you tell us a little bit about the Garden's role in this partnership?
Yes, Sally. So the Australian National Botanic Gardens is, as you said, working in partnership with a range of other institutions and botanic gardens to help secure this plant outside its natural habitat. You mentioned there's only, we're down to 4 left in the wild.
Yeah.
We're building up the numbers now in cultivation, in readiness for introducing them back into the wild in the future.
And how is this project really important for the species' long-term recovery?
The key thing here is that if we can build up numbers across botanic gardens through the seed orcharding we're doing here and at Botanic Botanic Gardens, and then sharing those plants across other botanic gardens as well, we're better prepared, and there's a better insurance policy for securing and having those plants then available for rewilding in the future.
Brilliant. And what are the numbers looking like? Only 4 left in the wild, but what have you managed to do in cultivation?
So we're up over 500 already.
It's amazing.
Which is fantastic. And again, it's because of the efforts that are being made across the partnerships. We're sharing that new knowledge between us as well, using all the techniques that we can. Another thing that we're trying here at the Gardens is grafting. We're seeing what this particular Banksia, how it will graft onto other Banksias.
Okay.
So should it be difficult to establish in the wild in the future on its own roots, if they're prone to disease and so on, we have another option up our sleeve in terms of them being grafted onto a more secure, reliable species.
Brilliant. Well, this sounds like a fantastic, successful example of partnerships between multiple organisations working together to recover a really, really rare species. And while there's obviously a long way to go to get this population out in the wild in greater numbers, we're certainly off to a fantastic start. Thanks very much, Dave.
No worries.